Hi, today I want to show you how I created the CNC's box for my 3018. Really, it's become a 3040 with the expansion kit. Let's start right now. I created this animation to summary what I'm going to do. To do this box, I use 10mm MDF and 16mm plywood. With a circular saw, I'm cutting the part to do a frontal parts box. Now I have to find the centers of all parts. I use that way to do that. After I see the points, I will make a holes to put the spine and glue. Now I have to assemble the front windows box. In this panel I have to create all fans, dust suction and all switches. I put to the bottom a vinyl glue and I apply this material. It should reduce the CNC's vibration in the box. Now I apply the sound absorbing panels to the other side's box, reducing the vibration and the rumors machine. Now put in position the support for dust extractor and the fans protection. I can put all switches in their holes. Also the emergency button. I want to increase the safety's machine. When this button is activated, it disconnects all electrical power coming to the machine. For the electrical part, I have done a connection that way. First, I interrupted the CNC's power cable and I connected the emergency button. Then I connect the on-off green button in a row and one switch for the fan system and the other one for the lights. Okay, now the box is complete and I'm waiting to try it. So I'm satisfied with the CNC's box. I wanted to explain the reason that they pushed me to build this box for CNC machine. The most important reason, or I think it is the most important, is trying to have the workplace as clean as possible. While working, the CNC machine produces dust and chip, so it dirties the workplace, for example. For some reason, at this time, I use the CNC in the same place where there is the cockpit. In this place I have also the computer's 3D printer, for example, to do the design parts. These dust clouds could damage the computers and the other components I have in this place. So having a box when all this dust can't go outside during CNC working is very good. It is surely an essential aspect. Another fundamental aspect you don't underestimate is safety. Having a box containing the CNC like that, I feel tranquil during its work. Because if during processing the part it's working left the working place, then I fix it with the clamps for some reason, trust me, it can happen, this piece is contained inside the box. That way I can prevent maybe some injury, for example. To increase more again the safety, I installed the emergency button. The 3018 doesn't have an emergency button you can press immediately. Many times I was in a critical situation, then I had to stop the CNC immediately. Another important aspect is the cooling machine. I use a 500 watt spindle, and believe me, it overheats itself a lot during the work. The spindle has a little fan above, then it tries to cool it. I put above the box a bigger fan to cooling the spindle. It reduces its temperature a lot. As you can see, after doing that, I put inside the box the sound absorbing panels. These panels reduce a little bit a CNC rumor during the work. So this was the reason he pushed me to want to make this box for CNC. As always, I thank you for watching this video. I remember you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't do it yet. Give me a like, and if you have some questions, write me in a comment below and I will be happy to respond to you. So thank you again and see you soon at the next video. Bye bye.